So I actually have this random DVI slash D dash D to an HDMI cable, and you may be wondering, why do old connectors like VGA or DVI have these thumb screws? Well, it was because that they wouldn't stay in all the time. See, if you put it in just without screwed on, it just wouldn't stay. And sometimes would either fall out or, someone would pull it accidentally. And to fix these issues, the makers of DVI basically uses thumb screws to make it connect properly. Actually, so did VGA. Add thumb screws, but VGA is actually a much smaller port compared to DVI, because DVI is actually the transitional era where there was old analog and newer digital. Anyways, let me just screw this connector back in. It's gonna take me in righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, and you see that? That's not coming out anytime soon. So yeah, that's why they use thumb screws.